Shrimp and cilantro are wrapped into spring roll wrappers and fried until super crispy. This is my favorite way to make firecracker shrimp. It is so bouncy, aromatic, and over-the-top crispy. I have fully deveined the shrimp. We're taking out the intestine that runs along the top of the shrimp. You may still see a black line at the bottom of the shrimp. It's the circulatory and nervous systems and does not contain any digestive discharge. So it's rarely taken out by anyone. Make small cuts along the bottom of the shrimp to straighten its natural curve, but do not cut through. Season the shrimp with salt and white pepper. Cut the spring roll wrappers in half diagonally. In a bowl, crack in the egg and whisk. This will be our wrapping glue. Lay a piece of wrapper flat with a corner pointing to the top. Add a piece of shrimp at the bottom and the tail on the outside. Add some cilantro over the wrapper. You can also replace it with other herbs or vegetables that you enjoy. Fold the top corner down and the left corner to the right. Brush the beaten egg at the right corner. And roll it up all the way from the left to the right. Repeat with the rest. In a large pot over high heat, add the oil inside. And heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And carefully place the firecracker shrimp inside, a few at a time. Fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain on a paper towel-lined plate. At the end of this episode, I'd like to share with you a small moment that happened at my daughter's dancing school. Around lunchtime, a little girl realized that she didn't bring her lunch. Another girl immediately offered to share her lunch, and it was really cute. One small act of kindness can make the world a much happier place, don't you think? Happy cooking and enjoy! It's super crunchy. You instantly get the aroma of cilantro and the bouncy shrimp. Super tasty. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!